my name is April. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. Today we're on my craft room floor because I'm down here painting, so I thought I'd just stop and do a quick intro, say hi to you guys. I hope you're all doing good. Today we are doing a Farmhouse Trash to Treasure. This is number 12 for me. This is actually part of an open invitation challenge that I'm co-hosting with my sweet friend over at MomDas Life Handmade. I will have her channel as well as the playlist with everyone that joined linked down below in my description box. Basically, she just challenged us to use anything and turn it into something useful that helps us with organization. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to take some of my thrifted finds and make them over and turn them into something useful that I could use to help me organize my craft room. So that's what I did. This is also a Farmhouse Trash to Treasure. This is number 12 for me, and I don't know why I did that. And so with all of that, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so we're coming out to my garage, you guys. I just want to show you the latest stuff that I got. Look at this. It's so neat. It's this huge toolbox, or wood caddy, whatever you want to call it, but it's huge. So cool. I got that, and then I got this little thing, and I think I'm going to use it as a plant stand, but I think I'm going to take some wood filler and fill this in and sand it off. I don't really like the circles on top, but it's really cute. It would make a really cute plant stand. And then I got this, which is absolutely beautiful. Love this. I can't wait to paint it. I love all the cracks and I love that it's kind of old and worn out. So pretty. I love the details. Just gorgeous. And then on this side, it doesn't pull out, but it looks like a little drawer. It's the one side that looks like a little drawer. So cute. And then I got this, which I'm gonna paint, and I already stuck these in here because I was just kind of measuring to see if it would work with what I got it for, which was to hold my vinyl. And if you heard that noise, that was my refrigerator. There's a refrigerator out here in the garage that just kicked off. But I got it for to hold vinyl. I thought it would be perfect for this DIY organizing challenge, and I'll paint it and make it beautiful, and then it will be perfect storage. So let's take it inside and get started. So here's a good look at what it looks like before I painted it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but I was worried that I might have bleed through when I painted it white. So I went ahead and put a really good coat of shellac on it. The only problem was that I couldn't reach my hand all the way down in there very good to get in those slats. So I just did the best that I could. And then at first I thought I was going to use this really pretty blue color by Folk Art called Glacier, but it just didn't look right. This really needed to be white in my opinion, so I did go ahead and just put a full coat of the Glacier, and then I put my second coat as Linen White by Waverly. So because I was unable to get my paintbrush down into the slats, I did take it out to the garage and I used some chalk spray paint.
I did get a tiny bit of bleed through, but other than that, it turned out really nice.
So this is what we're gonna work on next. It's really cute. I plan on hanging it up in my craft room just to hang stuff on. I paid $2 for it, as you can see, and whoever painted it, they hand drew these little animals on. I think it's so cute, but you know, not my style at all, but I do think it's really adorable. You can tell they hand painted all of this. Very, very cute. But let's go ahead and take it back out to the garage. I'm gonna sand it down and then, oh hello, oh hello, you think you're gonna go out there with me? I don't think so. I don't think so. Come here you, come here you. You can't go out, you can't do it. You'll never come back in. You'll run away and get hidden in all this stuff out there. Huh, yeah, you can say hi though. You can say hi to everybody. Say hi. So anyway, I want to go ahead and give this a good sanding, and then we will figure out what color we want to paint it. I'm just going to lay it down right here on this chair. And I really want to try out this Crackle paint. I've never tried this before, so I'm really excited to try it. I thought this would be something fun to try it on. I mean, if it doesn't turn out, no big deal. I paid $2 for this. So the directions say to base coat surface with folk art home decor chalk, allowed to dry fully, apply Crackle medium evenly over surface, being careful not to overstroke, allow to thoroughly dry. Apply contrasting top coat of folk art home decor chalk in one even coat, being careful not to overstroke. And then the the crackling should appear. So I'm not sure what color to use. I've got all these different colors over here, and I thought white and gray would be pretty, or like white with something like this would be pretty, but I'm not sure. I wish you guys could talk to me right now and tell me. I've got these over here too, so I'm just not sure what color to choose. I'll go over everything gray, I think, and then go back over everything white. That's what I'll do. Okay, you guys, here goes nothing. It says not to overbrush, so I'm gonna try not to overbrush. I should go over the whole thing. I have no idea. Maybe not so much in the middle. Maybe more on the sides. Okay, I think that's good. Now we'll just let it dry. And then we will put our white coat on. I literally just put it on. That is so cool. Wow. How fun. Look at that. So pretty. So neat. I will definitely be using this and trying out other colors. That is so cool.
I decided to make a decal on my Cricut that says Farmhouse Life. I just think it's a cute saying and it would be perfect for our little project. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I used the font called Hello, Hello. I downloaded it for free from dafont.com. How it turned out. I think it turned out so nice, and once I was done with that, I decided to go ahead and distress my little organizer stand.
So I just bought a sheet of this 120 grit sandpaper and cut it into a strip, and I'm gonna fold it in half and use this. I'm still unsure of what the best grit is for distressing. I've seen so many different things online, so if you guys know or you have an opinion, let me know. And kind of fold it around as I use it. I'm just gonna start distressing all along the edges to bring out the details. Okay, you guys, I love this. Now, I did pay $10 for this at the thrift store, which is a little bit more than I would normally pay for something, but I'm really starting to come to terms with the fact that, you know, things are just not cheap like they used to be, and so I really do think it was a good deal for $10. I'm definitely going to use this. So what I plan on using this for in my craft room is to store my vinyl. I thought it would be perfect to store my rolls of vinyl. And then what I'll do underneath, I'll show you. And then underneath here, I'm gonna store all of my paint mats. And you know what? I could even put them in here if I wanted to. I use these to paint on. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, I love this because I love things that when they're, you know, I like it when something is useful and cute, which this is totally cute and totally useful. If I wanted to, I could even put wheels on it, but I probably won't do that. But it's nice because it's not too heavy and I can actually pick it up and carry it around. Now, my plan is once I get all of this cleared out, which I will be working on soon, I'm going to move all this out to my garage. But in order to do that, I have to organize my garage. I just have so much work to do. And then up here right now is just a bunch of stuff that needs to also be organized. This is my son's 3D printer. I need to get a really nice sturdy table to put it on so it can be moved out of here. And then I'm gonna paint these cupboards, and then I can store my printer and this thing under here. That was the whole point of telling you all that, is I will store it underneath this counter space. And I plan on doing DIY granite on top of here, just like I did. Excuse the mess over here right now. I have paintbrushes and rags, but I did DIY granite in my last video on this counter, and I love it. The only thing is I don't like how it kind of has like a bluish, I mean it's actually gray, but when I look at it, it kind of looks bluish to me, and I don't like that. So when I do this again, I'm gonna omit the gray that I used. I think it was the glitter paint that made it that color that looks kind of bluish. It's silver, I think is what it says, but I'm going to omit that and just try to get more of like a white with a little bit of gray throughout on when I do this one over here. And that'll be really, really pretty. But yeah, so this is very useful. This will totally help me stay organized. I'm going to put all my vinyl rolls in here, and that will be where I will store them.
These are actually little buckets that I got at the Dollar Tree, which is so neat. They have all different colors. They're kind of back in the party section, back in that area. And like I said, they have all different colors. They're so cute, and I thought this would be perfect to organize like my paintbrushes, my scissors, my pencils. And so I love it. Now, I don't think I'm going to keep this where I have it. It just doesn't look right below that big mirror. So I definitely will be moving this, but I just wanted to set it up for video purposes. And anyway, you guys, that's it. That's everything. Don't forget to check out MomDas Life Handmade as well as the playlist. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.